Hello, good morning. Oh my god, today is a very rainy, windy, stormy day. It's not fun. We decided to go to a shopping mall, hang around, and Chris also needs some things, new running shoes and bed sheets. So we go for that. But first, we need to go to the vet again because yesterday evening Vos got bitten by another cat. She has 2 wounds in her paw, bite wounds, and I think also at her back or in the side. Can't really find it because she doesn't let me. So that's the first thing we are going to do, to the vet. Hope she gets antibiotics and maybe painkillers and thunder. And then we go to the shopping mall. I think overall it'll be a good day. So we've been to the vet with Vos. Everything went fine. They cleaned the wound and now she has medicine. Yeah, she has antibiotics and she got medicine for the inflammation. So 3 types of medicine because she already had the stomach protector. But she will be fine. She was not in pain today, so will be better. But now first we go to the shopping mall. Shopping mall, shopping mall. So nice. Shopping mall, shopping mall. Spending money.
How's your pulse?
It's the first time we've been to a shopping mall. What are you going to do? What are you going to do?
Come here. Okay, look.
What? I don't get it.
Don't you know the game? Can you look into?
Oh. Yeah. Which one are you going to pick? So Chris, we didn't buy much because we were in the wrong shopping mall.
We went into the shopping center instead of into the outlet
The
village.
shopping village. But now you have Portuguese lessons. So we go after Portuguese lessons, go to the village, and I go shopping in the shopping mall.
And I hope I can find some running shoes in 47, because it seems 47 is not it's not inside the Portuguese range.
No,
So
Portuguese are small, so it's good for me.
fingers crossed.
Yeah. Okay. Bye. See you later. Chris, show me your walkie-talkie.
Wait.
Yeah. I have one as well. Turn it on.
Channel 7.
Channel 7. And we have this because whenever I do groceries with Chris, then he's walking away and I need to search for him, can't find him, so we decided we take walkie-talkies. Janneke for Chris, I copy.
I can see you.
Did you found some nice ones already?
Not yet, no. Not yet. It's heavy and I don't like the colors. But I like that it has the protection here, because in the past I almost broke my toe 2 times running against stones and roots. So that is good here. But look at the colors.
Yeah, doesn't matter.
And it's so shiny here. Like piano.
Then I can see you better.
And it looks so heavy.
Chris, have fun.
So, now we are trying street runners, because over the last 2 hours my feet didn't get smaller and I couldn't find a trail runner in my size.
Okay, run. I think my shoes are the best.
For running.
Yeah, for everything.
They both feel good. What color do you prefer?
Orange.
Blue, orange?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so. Perfect. So Janneke, what exactly are you wearing there?
Well, my own creation.
How do you call it?
Huh?
How do you call it?
Sushi.
Sushi.
I call myself sushi. Well, I like it. I really like it. Yeah.
Especially the rose, no? Oh, beautiful.
You like it?
I love it. You're gonna buy it?
Yeah, of course. Chris is now filling my jerry cans with water because we don't have water anymore. And the water goes so slow.
Takes so long.
Yeah, takes so long. But yeah, water is water. Yesterday we were in a shopping mall. We didn't say goodbye because we were so tired. There were too many people and we're not used to it. So when we came home, we just went to bed.
Crazy. Too many people, too loud, too noisy. I had a terrible pizza because, side note, we started to try to become vegetarians. So ordering a vegetarian pizza actually is not that easy. But it's always nice to walk through a shopping mall and recognize, you don't need anything. So returning with a positive feeling, even if we didn't buy much.
So, bye bye. See you next time.
Bye bye.